एवरीवन, आज का जो लेक्चर है वो ग्लोबलाइजेशन पे होने वाला है। एज वी ऑल नो कि ग्लोबलाइजेशन से रिलेटेड बहुत बार बहुत एग्जाम्स में क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं और पूछे जाते हैं अब तक। सो आज के वीडियो में हम ग्लोबलाइजेशन क्या है, क्या उसके कॉजेज हैं एंड व्हाट आर द इम्पैक्ट्स ऑन सोशो इकोनॉमिक कल्चर एंड ह्यूमन राइट्स। सो लेट्स बिगिन। ग्लोबलाइजेशन के थ्रू फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट स्टार्ट हुआ इन द कंट्री बाय प्रोवाइडिंग फैसिलिटीज कि टू फॉरेन कंपनीज इन्वेस्ट कर सकें इन डिफरेंट फील्ड्स ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी ऑफ आवर कंट्री। जो न्यू इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी थी जो इंट्रोड्यूस की गई थी 1991 बाय द गवर्नमेंट एट द बेस्टेस्ट ऑफ IMF एंड वर्ल्ड बैंक, that is an important element of economic reform। ये मैं इन कमिंग वीडियो में इन डिटेल आपको बताऊंगी कि न्यू इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी क्या थी और उसके क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव्स और रीजंस थे। सो इकोनॉमिक रिफॉर्म का जो इम्पोर्टेंट एलिमेंट था दैट वाज ग्लोबलाइजेशन एंड इट वाज एक्सपेक्टेड कि जो ग्लोबलाइजेशन है वो बेनिफिशियल होगा फॉर द इकोनॉमी एज अ होल एंड शुड रेज द वेलफेयर ऑफ ऑल पीपल थ्रू आउट द कंट्री। इट वाज एक्सपेक्टेड कि कैपिटल और टेक्नोलॉजी इनफ्लो करेगी फ्रॉम डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज टू द वर्ल्ड into the developing countries as like India, and it will raise the economic growth in the country जो reduce करेगा poverty और not let increase inequalities in the economy। There should be social integration of the economy with the rest of the world. Accordingly, India would have access to the fruits of global growth। So जो globalization है, it is seen as turning the whole world into one global village in which all peoples are increasingly unified and all the fences or barriers are detached so that the world witness a new state of fast and free flow of people, capital, goods and ideas। In this way, globalization has formed whole world into a one global village कि inflows हो, outflows हो of technology, ideas, people, good, everything। जो causes थे globalization के that was कि improved हुए transport में। जो developed countries थी वहाँ पर तो technology wise as well as other fields में भी बहुत improvement था, पर जो developing countries थी they have the opportunity to develop more, so improved transport की वजह से so that travel easier, there has been a rapid growth in air travel enabling greater movement of people and goods across the world। Containerization from 1970 से there was a rapid adoption of the steel transport container। उस कॉस्ट को रिड्यूस करने के लिए इंटरमोडल ट्रांसपोर्ट मेकिंग ट्रेड चीपर एंड मोर एफिशिएंट। सो कंटेनराइजेशन की वजह से ग्लोबलाइजेशन को अडॉप्ट किया, यूटिलाइज कि हमारा इम्प्रूव ट्रांसपोर्ट हो कंट्री में, कंटेनराइजेशन से कि रिड्यूस हो कॉस्ट इंपोर्ट और एक्सपोर्ट के लिए, टेक्नोलॉजी इम्प्रूव्ड हो डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज और अंडर डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज में, and growth of multinational companies with a global presence in many different economic, reduce tariff barriers जो encourage करता है global trade को। Often this has occurred through the support of the World Trade Organization। Improved mobility of capital, increased mobility of labor because people are more willing to move between different countries in search for work। So global trade remittance now play a large role in transfer from developed countries to developing countries। Internet आज के दौर में this enables firms to communicate on a global level। This may overcome managerial economies of scales and the firm may be able to get cheaper supplies by dealing with a wider choice of firms। So internet has played a role and this has been to us through the globalization only। Now the impacts of globalization in every field like economic, social, culture जो हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। So the video will going to be a bit longer क्योंकि ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक भी है और बहुत लेंदी भी टॉपिक है, बट आई समहाउ combined it in a one video so that you will get the whole knowledge in by this video only. Economic globalization. By the economic globalization, new liberal and new classical thinkers in which state lose prominence and the world becomes a single global market of individual consumers. इकोनॉमिक ग्लोबलाइजेशन से जो इम्पैक्ट हुआ दैट वाज द एक्सपेंशन एंड द डोमिनेंस ऑफ ग्लोबल कंपनीज एंड ब्रांड्स इज अनदर की फीचर इन द इकोनॉमिक ग्लोबलाइजेशन. These corporations contribute to deepen global interconnectedness not only by uniformly shaping consumption patterns across societies but by hiding economies together through complex supply chain, trade networks, flow of capitals and manpower. So the economic globalization has impact on cheaper prices की जो products और जो services हमें हमारी खुद के region में expensive लगती थी that is available at cheaper price also. Better availability of products and services due to the globalization, क्योंकि इतना import हो रहा था बाहर की country से, जो इतना import होता है we choose to better go with the cheaper products. and जो availability है उसमें varieties भी बहुत सारी है. Easier access to capitals and commodities, increased competition, of course it has increased competition due to the lots of markets available in the field. Producer and retailers can diversify their markets and contribute to economic growth. तो जब competition बढ़ा तो fields भी बढ़ी, तो producer और retailers के पास बहुत सारे options हुए, opportunities हुए how to diversify their markets. And the impacts of globalization that make negatively to the economic growth of country that कि some countries struggle to compete, क्योंकि जो underdeveloped countries थी उनको बहुत सारे obstacles face करने पड़ते हैं, उनकी वजह से they're not able to compete properly. So rather than gaining, they lose their opportunities and their economic growth getting down. एक्सट्रैक्टिव बिहेवियर ऑफ सम फॉरेन कंपनीज एंड इन्वेस्टर, जिसकी वजह से उनको प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ती थी क्योंकि एक्सपोर्ट ज़्यादा होता था इम्पोर्ट के बजाय. स्ट्रॉन्ग बार्गेनिंग पावर ऑफ मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज, बिकॉज जो मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज थे दे आर मोर अट्रैक्टिव, मोर सुपर एक्टिव, दैट्स मेक country in which they are taking their places to provide goods and services. तो उस country की कंपनीज का इतना नाम नहीं जितना मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज वर्क करते हैं उन कंट्रीज में. तो ये इम्पैक्ट हुआ इकोनॉमिक ग्लोबलाइजेशन पे. एंड प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ सोशल डंपिंग. कल्चर ग्लोबलाइजेशन. Of course, by the cultural globalization, you may have get an idea कि जो transmission हुआ values, ideas, culture and artistic expression in the era of the internet and fast communication, इसमें people can interact more easily with each other, and multiculturalism and cosmopolitanism are to some extent manifestation of cultural globalization. Communities जो less insulated than ever in history हुआ, because जो लोग travel भी नहीं कर सकते थे, now they have a good understanding of other cultures and meet virtually people from other parts of the world and change their views and lifestyle. So through the culture globalization, अब बहुत लोगों को अपने घर बैठे ही बहुत other culture जो दूसरी country में जो cultures और values follow out हो रहे हैं, they can also have an idea about it. Access to new cultural products. Of course, the positive point of the cultural globalization is that they have access to new cultural products, better understanding of foreign values and attitudes, less stereotypes or misconception about other people and cultures, capacity to communicate and defend one values and ideals globally, instant access to information from anywhere in the world. The positive impact of cultural globalization is that now they can get anything from anywhere in the world due to the cultural globalization. And the negative point of the cultural globalization is that जो westernization cultural और जो cultural colonialism है वो बढ़ रहा है, और जो small cultures हैं वो अपने features जो उनके they are losing their availability, their quality in the region. एंड डेंजरस और जो वायलेंट आइडल्स हैं आजकल वो जल्दी स्प्रेड हो जाते हैं, एज वी ऑल नो, ड्यू टू द इंस्टाग्राम, एंड दीज थिंग्स मे कॉज द स्प्रेड द dangerous or violent ideals faster than the good values. Spread of commodity based consumer culture, these all are the negative points of the culture globalization. Political globalization, as we all know कि जो globalization है political sorry, has been a rise in the influence and power of international and regional institutions such as EU, OECD, WTO, and the international and supranational actors increasingly shape domestic politics. They assess to international aid and support. The pros of political globalization, that it contribute to world peace as it make sure कि risk of invasion कम हो, more check to big powers हो और limitation to nationalism हो. Smaller countries एक साथ work कर सकें so that they can more influence internationally. International organizations are committed to spread values like freedom and to fight abuses within countries. और दूसरे government के साथ वो government can also learn from each other. And the cons of political globalization की जो state sovereignty है वो reduce हुई, जो international और supranational के function है they are more democratic in terms of representation and accountability. It is not democratic in terms of representation accountability because उनका जो holding power है of course वो national country से ज़्यादा होगा because they know more about the things, more about the politics, and they are increasingly shaping the politics era. So big countries can veto decision and slow down the decision making process, and जो coordination है वो थोड़ा difficult और expensive होता है because developed और underdeveloped countries का जो mindset है, जो उनका politics है, जो उनका play role है, उसमें भी differences है. So in this way they face the difficulty in coordination. Social globalization, through the social globalization जो impact हुआ that on the life and the work of people, families and society. There are more social aspects from globalization beyond employment, working dimension, income, social protection, etc. The idea of social justice is now a distant dream to be accomplished. So जो social globalization से impact हुआ that was कि society to be created on the equality and solidarity, promote करा human rights के values को, protection towards the dignity of every human being, gender disparity को eliminate किया so that reduce किया जा सके inequalities को, और increase participation of women in all fields of life को encourage किया through the social globalization. Cons of social globalization is that कि जो crimes against women है वो of course increase हुए due to this globalization, deeply influence the social structure of different societies, have challenged the social institutions of the society, mainly family. Impact of globalization on human rights. Human rights का जो violation है as a consequence of destructive social change resulting from globalization. At least in some instances, shifts in a society, cultural values and norms that may lead to the traditional or historic notion of human rights. Human rights across the 19 global जो benefits उठाए globalization के through, that was that increased trade in developing countries and thus contribute to the mitigation of poverty, increased communication permits हुआ, and in other sphere communication via email has permitted human rights advocate in their locality and to communicate with other human rights advocates throughout the world. So there are less beneficial effects on other impacts arising from globalization जो human rights पे हुए, emphasis on competitiveness and economic development. Negative effects जो हुए on such vulnerable groups as migrant workers, indigenous peoples and migrant women. Globalization has been cited as a contribution factor in violations of the work, right to life, right to protection of health, safety, healthy working condition and freedom of association in many countries. So the positive impacts create on human right was that key companies have more freedom to choose which market to participate in. So they have a freedom to choose, right to work. These all are the impacts that globalization created on the human rights. Globalization has been bringing poor countries the opportunity कि वो speed up कर सके अपने economic development को, and they can raise their living standard. Government can provide better public service. So in this way they got right to life, right to educate, standard of living. ये सारे rights उनको provide किए गए. With the rise of the internet, the global virtual network that connects everyone everywhere, and the fact that people nowadays have more freedom of movement, which encourages people to pursue education, to travel. So through the globalization, they get the right to education, right to travel anywhere, work anywhere outside of their own country, and has spread life wide thanks to globalization. The internet and social networks are both essential to raising people's awareness, promptly informing and condemning violations of human rights that might happen just about anywhere. So because the worlds become so interdependent on each other, it eliminates कि कोई भी another major war place ना कर सके, जैसे World War I, World War II हुआ. And this encouraged the all humankind. Negative impact जो हुए on human right was that कि it make English as a second language, जो English as a second language थी, now it become mandatory for everyone to learn this language. So जो significant impact हुआ, that was on culture, and the dominance of English could contribute to the emergence of a global and intercontinental culture which may wipe out tradition, custom and values of many societies and marginalizes their cultures. So through the globalization, जो impact हुआ on the human right was that कि they are losing their own tradition, own custom, own values. Globalization has a negative impact on the enjoyment of human rights, particularly the economic, social and cultural rights, which are guaranteed by the Universal UDHR and by the ICESCR 27 article or article 15 of ICER. So globalization resulted in a significant loss of control and sovereignty for the state. That state no longer hold a control over the allocation of public goods and services. Because of the globalization, export and import have been encouraged. So the power of the states had over the allocation of public and goods and services losing somewhere. Globalization bridging cultures and exchanging goods and information, but also fragmenting global culture communities, that they are drawing thick line between integrated and excluded. So the actual form of globalization tend to intensify the social negation of the excluded groups who are vulnerable to losing their culture heritage. So through the globalization, the people has been divided, integrated and excluded, and the excluded people are losing their own culture heritage. So globalization is an ongoing syndrome जो interplay नहीं करता only between local, regional and national and global scale, but is also about interconnectedness, flows and uneven development in the world. Globalization has brought not only advantages to the globe by providing a large of imported products to be imported in the country or by raising the basic standard of living of people, but it also impacts majorly on social, political, economic, human rights and cultural norms of life by diminishing the role of state, challenging of unique culture of every society, attacking the social structures, much diversity in the global society. By these things, it caused the impact on these fields. So this was all about the globalization and the causes and the impacts of the globalization on social to human rights field. Thank you so much for watching this video.